Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can revolutionize investing? Well, let's dive right into it. The dawn of AI in investing marks a seismic shift from traditional investment methods. At the heart of this revolution is the use of advanced algorithms and machine learning. Imagine a system that can sift through and analyze vast amounts of financial data faster than any human could. This is not just about crunching numbers. It's about interpreting complex patterns, understanding market trends, and making accurate predictions. And it doesn't stop there. AI can execute trades at lightning speed, capitalizing on opportunities the moment they arise. This automation can be a game changer, offering efficiency, precision, and the ability to operate round the clock. We're witnessing a paradigm shift, a new era where machines are not just tools, but active participants, shaping the very way we invest. So, are you ready to dive into the world of AI investing? Now, how does AI investing really work? Well, it's a fascinating blend of technology and finance. It all starts with data, lots and lots of data. Imagine a giant digital library filled with books on market trends, historical returns, and risk factors. That's what AI has at its disposal. AI investing uses a process called machine learning to analyze this vast amount of information. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn from and make decisions based on data. It's like having a super intelligent, tireless analyst working around the clock. But how does it make sense of all this data? Well, it's all about patterns. AI looks for patterns in the data that humans might miss. It can identify subtle shifts in market trends, pick up on emerging risk factors, and predict potential returns with astonishing accuracy. Take market trends, for instance. AI can analyze millions of data points from past and present market movements to predict future trends. It's not about guessing. It's about calculating probabilities based on historical patterns. Then there's risk assessment. AI can evaluate hundreds of potential risk factors at once, from economic indicators to geopolitical events. It can weigh the potential impact of these risks on an investment portfolio and adjust strategies accordingly. AI also calculates potential returns. By analyzing past performance and current market conditions, it can estimate the likely return on investment. And it does this for thousands of potential investments, all in a matter of seconds. The role of big data cannot be overstated here. The more data AI has, the better its predictions. It's like connecting the dots on a grand scale. The more dots you have, the clearer the picture becomes. And let's not forget machine learning. This technology allows AI to continually improve its predictions. It learns from every decision, every outcome, refining its algorithms to make even better investment decisions in the future. AI investing isn't magic, it's science. It's about using technology to analyze data and make informed decisions. It's about turning the vast sea of information into a powerful tool for investment strategy. So the next time you think about investing, remember this. AI isn't replacing the human touch in investing, it's enhancing it. So what's in it for you? Why should you care about AI investing? Well, let's dive right in, shall we? Firstly, AI investing can help you make informed decisions. With its ability to process mountains of data at lightning speed, it can provide insights that would take a human analyst weeks to compile. It can analyze market trends, company performance, and economic indicators, presenting you with a comprehensive picture that aids in decision-making. Secondly, AI investing can minimize risk. We all know that investing is inherently risky, but AI tools can help mitigate some of that risk. They can predict market volatility, identify potential threats, and even suggest strategies to safeguard your investments. It's like having your own personal risk manager, working tirelessly to protect your financial interests. Next, let's talk about returns. AI investing can maximize your returns by identifying the best investment opportunities. The algorithms can scan the market for promising stocks, bonds, or commodities, and suggest when to buy or sell. It's like having a financial advisor who never sleeps, always on the lookout for the next big opportunity. But it's not just about making money. AI investing can also save you time, a lot of time. Instead of spending hours researching and analyzing, you can let the AI do the heavy lifting. This gives you more time to focus on other important aspects of your life, whether it's your day job, family, or simply enjoying your leisure time. Lastly, AI investing can eliminate human error. We're only human after all, and we're prone to mistakes, especially when it comes to complex tasks like investing. But with AI, those errors are minimized. It's not influenced by emotions or biases, and it doesn't get tired or distracted. It simply crunches the numbers and provides the results, ensuring accuracy and consistency in your investment decisions. So there you have it. AI investing can be your secret weapon in the financial market. It's like having a team of experts at your disposal, working round the clock to help you achieve your financial goals. And who wouldn't want that? But wait, is AI investing all sunshine and roses? Well, like anything in life, AI investing comes with its own set of risks and challenges. Let's delve into some of these. Firstly, we have data security. In the world of AI, data is king, but with great amounts of data comes great security risks. Think about it. AI systems learn from vast amounts of data, and that data often includes sensitive information. If that data falls into the wrong hands, it could lead to a myriad of problems, including identity theft, privacy violations, and financial loss. Then there's the issue of algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from the data they're fed, and if that data is skewed, the results will be too. This can lead to unfair investing outcomes. For instance, if an AI system is trained on data from periods of economic boom, it might not perform as well during a downturn. Market unpredictability is another challenge. The stock market is influenced by a multitude of factors, many of which are unpredictable. No matter how sophisticated an AI system is, it can't predict certain events like political upheaval, natural disasters, or pandemics. These events can dramatically affect the market and consequently your investments. But fear not. These risks don't mean you should avoid AI investing. Instead, they highlight the importance of proper safeguards. For data security, this means implementing strong encryption methods and robust security protocols. To combat algorithmic bias, it's crucial to use diverse and representative datasets when training AI systems. And as for market unpredictability, diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can better weather the storm of market volatility. So yes, while AI investing has its challenges, they're not insurmountable. It's about understanding these risks, taking preventative measures, and being prepared to adapt when necessary. Because remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and AI investing is no exception. So, where is AI investing headed? What does the future hold? We've crossed the threshold into an era where artificial intelligence is not just a sci-fi concept, but a tangible tool shaping our financial landscapes. The future of AI investing is promising, filled with potential and innovation. As we look ahead, we see a world where AI investing becomes more accessible and efficient. Advances in technology are expected to democratize AI investing, making it available not just to institutional investors, but to individuals as well. Imagine a future where your personal financial advisor is an intelligent algorithm that understands your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment preferences, providing you with tailored advice round the clock. In addition to accessibility, we can anticipate a surge in efficiency. AI has the potential to process vast amounts of data in real time, allowing investors to make informed decisions at a pace that human analysts could never match. This could revolutionize the speed and accuracy at which investment decisions are made, potentially leading to more profitable outcomes. But what does this mean for the financial market and the economy? As AI investing becomes more prevalent, we could see a drastic shift in market dynamics. The ability of AI to identify patterns and trends could lead to more stable markets, as it could potentially mitigate the impact of human emotions, such as fear and greed, which often contribute to market volatility. However, this doesn't mean that the market will become predictable or that risk will be eliminated. The financial market is a complex system influenced by a myriad of factors. But with AI, we could navigate this complexity with more precision and insight. So, as we stand on the precipice of this new era in investing, it's important to remember that AI isn't a magic bullet. It's a tool, one that requires understanding and responsible use. But with these in place, the potential is enormous. The future of investing is here, and it's powered by AI. So, are you ready to embrace the future of investing? We've journeyed together from the dawn of AI in investing to the mechanics of how it works. We've explored the benefits, such as increased efficiency and enhanced decision-making, while also acknowledging the risks and challenges, like the need for data privacy and security measures. We've gazed into the future of AI investing, where it's set to revolutionize the financial world, providing opportunities for both seasoned investors and novices alike. The potential is enormous, with AI capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. But this journey is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn and discover about AI investing. So we encourage you to dive deeper, to continue exploring and understanding this exciting, rapidly evolving field. Remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. So why not start with AI investing? If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel.